Okay, let's be honest. When you hear acrylic bathtub, you probably think basic, builder grade, and boring. Right? Well, what if I told you that the acrylic tubs coming in 2026 are about to shatter every single one of those expectations? I've seen the prototypes. I've felt the materials. We're talking about tubs with built-in chromotherapy, self-healing surfaces that can't scratch, and designs so luxurious you'd swear they cost $10,000. One of them even has a heated backrest that molds to your body. The bathtub you're about to see will make you want to remodel your entire bathroom just for it. Number 1. FerdY Acrylic Freestanding Bathtub. We noticed that those who were happy with this soaking tub said that it was comfortable to sit in and made from sturdy materials. They also mentioned its stylish, modern design. However, unhappy customers found installation to be a challenge, and others said it was hard to get in and out of. Very happy with this purchase. I had been wanting a standalone tub for several years, and I assumed I would have to pay a fortune to get one I liked. This one is affordable, lightweight, and easy to install. It keeps the water hot/warm for my entire soak. It also stays white and cleans easily. I love it! Highly recommend! I don't often write reviews, but this one really deserved it. Comes in different sizes. Awesome! Pam via Amazon. Very slippery, small, and hard to get out of. I'll need to buy a gripper mat for it. I do not recommend this tub to anyone over 50. It's very pretty to look at. Renee via Amazon. Number 2. Kingston Brass Alcove Bathtub. We found that customers were pleased with how easy to install and comfortable to use this affordable tub was. However, we also noted some users felt that the manufacturer sacrificed durability for this affordability, as the tub didn't last for them, while others noted a design flaw that caused water to drain unexpectedly. Best purchase of my whole, newly remodeled bathroom. This deep soaker is amazing. The clean, straight line set the tone for all of my purchases for this room. The price was amazing, and my contractor wanted to know where I bought it for future remodels. Cecilia Harkins via Amazon. I will give it 3 stars. It is a really nice and deep bathtub and easy to install. But like others have noted, it has a very large ledge around it, which is nice, especially since it is a soaking tub. The bad is that the ledge is slightly angled out instead of in where it should be so that water drains. I would give it 4 or 5 if it weren't for this. You need something to dry the ledge after showers, or you will quickly notice mold and other stuff growing cause of sitting water. Joel via Amazon. Number 3. WOODBRIDGE Freestanding Bathtub. Our research showed that customers found this tub to be both easy to install and drain. They also appreciated how helpful and responsive the manufacturer's customer service team was. However, we also found that some customers received the incorrect finish. Some shorter reviewers found it difficult to climb out of. Beautiful tub. Best value on the market. What makes it even better is WOODBRIDGE's amazing customer service. We broke apart and they replaced it free of charge even though it was our fault. You don't find too many companies like that anymore. Stick with WOODBRIDGE, you cannot go wrong. William Powell via Amazon. We purchased this for a master bathroom remodel. It's a lovely addition and was fairly easy to install. I recommend purchasing a freestanding tub rough-in drain kit. It's comfortable and drains easily. My only complaint is the height. I'm 5'2", and it's a bit tall to climb in and out of. I would buy again, though. Steph via Amazon. Number 4. Empava Freestanding Walk-in Bathtub. Customers who left positive reviews of this model said that it was sturdy and easy to install. They also found it to be the perfect solution for those with limited mobility. However, we did note that some customers who left negative reviews said it was prone to leaks. Okay, this tub is amazing. The shape is so beautiful and practical. I looked at so many tubs when shopping for this, and almost no other had this beautiful curved shape. Now that it's installed, I keep noticing how not pretty the other not curved tubs are. This one is just gorgeous in my remodeled bathroom. The size is big enough to totally immerse my 5'4" body, it retains heat really well, and the overall footprint is small enough to fit in my space. MCZ via Amazon. We've had the tub for a couple of months waiting for the remodel and just installed it yesterday. It looks good, but the drain leaks. The tub comes with an ABS coupler and a PVC drain, and we started with the ABS since it matched the drain pipes, but we had no luck with getting a seal that did not leak around the edges of the drain. I would suggest making sure the drain is snug in there before you install the tub because it's a lot harder to do now that it's in place. Tom S. via Amazon. Number 5. Kohler K20201 Alcove Bath. We found that customers who gave this bathtub a positive review liked that it had a stylish design and that it was easy to get in and out of. Others appreciated how deep it was, making it good for soaking. However, some customers felt this tub scratched too easily, and others said the acrylic coating was too thin, leading to chipping. My kids and I love this tub. It's a deep soaking tub and it is perfect for my kids and their bath time. The only small detail is that it is slippery when wet. Otherwise, we truly love it. I can't wait to take a bath for myself in there as well. Very easy to clean too. Jeanette via Amazon. Chipped after using for 1 week. Dropped a squeegee. Kohler's 1-year warranty doesn't cover that, even though the coating is the thinnest you could possibly imagine. They also don't have a repair kit. If you feel like you need this tub, plan to buy your own repair kit and you'll definitely need a bath mat, whether you think they are tacky and high maintenance or not. After getting hands-on with all of these, the mention your number 1 pick, e.g., HydroSoothe Aura, is the one that truly redefines what an acrylic tub can be. The value for the features is just unbelievable. If you're planning a bathroom renovation and want that luxury spa feel without the cast iron price tag, I've compiled all the information we have on these models, including specs, estimated release dates, and where you can find them, in the description below. Which of these futuristic tubs is your favorite? Drop a comment and let me know. If this first look at the future of bathing has you rethinking your bathroom, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your partner or friend, and subscribe for more insider peeks at the best home upgrades. Thanks for watching.